What if you could take a simple idea in your mind and transform it into a video in seconds? With Kling AI, that future is already here. This course will teach you how to create any kind of videos, including text-to-image prompting that matches any style you imagine, realistic, anime, illustrated, cinematic, anything. Removing or replacing objects instantly with powerful in-painting, changing aspect ratios so your video fits YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere you publish. You can upload a photo and place yourself in any scene you want, turn yourself into an animated character, put objects in your hands, and animate your expressions and movement. We'll also show you how to animate still images into full motion videos, extend your shots and shift the camera angle for dynamic scenes, add and swap objects inside a moving video, generate sound effects, and even create AI talking head avatars so you don't have to appear on camera. All of this is taught by Dan Britton, our AI video expert, who has helped thousands of creators master tools like Sora, Runway, and Google VO. We skip the fluff and get you creating professional videos in just minutes. Join us inside and let's start building incredible videos with Kling AI today.